Good morning, y'all. So today is Saturday and we are about to leave to go to a cow sale. I've never been, the kids have never been, so my mother-in-law is coming with us. So we're all trying to get ready and leave, but it is 8:30. I need to go wake little girl up and get her ready and get her fed. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. It is another rainy, yucky day. Hopefully it doesn't rain all day, but it's awful. So I'm gonna bring a hair tie to pull up my hair in case, because my hair gets so frizzy. So, but anyways, that's what we're doing today. You need to go fish?
Okay.
Okay, so it is nighttime. I'm so sorry that I did not get to vlog a lot today, but it was just crazy. The cow sale was like a little over 2 hours long. The kids, they did good for the first part, but then the second part, half of the show, they did not so good. They were getting very, very antsy. So it started around noon, which is like right in the middle of their lunchtime. So I had brought snacks for them to eat. So that kind of distracted for a little bit. And then towards the end, I had to like try to bring my phone out for them to watch something or play a game. And that kind of distracted them for a few minutes. But it was just, yeah, it was a little crazy. I don't know if Kyle has to go to one more, and I don't know if he's gonna end up taking them, but yeah, it was a lot. We ate dinner, or early dinner, really early dinner, late lunch, whatever you want to call it, what we ate at the Texas Roadhouse, but we were so tired, we were all so tired, that I did not vlog that at all. So we are going to pick them up tomorrow, the cows that they did buy, and I will vlog that and kind of show you guys all that. I hopefully can vlog a little bit more tomorrow than I did today. I know tomorrow may be a little of a long day, so I'm sure we'll be tired too. So anyways, but I just kind of wanted to hop on here and say I probably won't vlog anymore tonight. But Paisley, I just gave her a bath. I'm about to put her to bed. Kyle and Layton went to go to Tractor Supply. So they're gone right now. So I'm just trying to pick up, and we got to leave early in the morning to go back up there. So just kind of like getting their bags ready for tomorrow, laying out what they're going to wear tomorrow. And then I'm going to hop in the shower. And then we're all going to bed really early. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. So this is going to be like a weekend vlog type vlog. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow.
Cheers.
Are you playing with sister?
Yes.
Yeah, he is. cows today?
Yeah.
More?
Cheese.
What are you, Layton? Good morning. It is Sunday and it is early morning. We are up and about. We're gonna go pick up the cows. It's a busy day. Then we gotta go feed the other cows, and yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a very busy day. So I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can, but I hardly got any sleep last night. I don't know why. I just couldn't sleep. So anyways, we're gonna be pretty tired today, but it's like really foggy this morning, and it's 60, so it's not bad outside, but it's really foggy and like misty. So anyways, I don't know why I just couldn't sleep. We tried to go, everybody went to bed pretty early last night. I seemed tired, and then it's like when you're so tired that you just can't go to sleep. That was what I did. So anyways, are you ready to go look at the cows?
Okay.
You gonna see the horse? Look at the horse. You gonna pet the horse?
Hi, boys.
It's Julie.
Joey.
I don't. What do you think?
Your wife.
Julie.
Mango secret.
Yeah. Okay. You pet the cow? I pet the horse?
Hi, Joey.
Hi, Julie. It's sweet.
Joey.
Did you see the cows? Did you have?
Joey.
Did you have a fun day?
Yes.
We have to go pick up one more load, and then we are done. Hey, what do you have in your hand, Layton?
Charles,
In your other hand.
want to unload over there?
Is that a deer antler?
Yes.
So neat. Look at the big truck, Layton.
picture. I want a picture.
You want a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, go get over there by your brother.